Hi, welcome to the last part of discussion essay, writing conclusion. So for writing the conclusion effectively, you need to understand the minute difference between introduction and conclusion. Both are quite similar to each other. In conclusion and introduction both, we have to state our opinion clearly. Let us learn how. In conclusion, we use two sentence structure. So what are these two sentences? We'll be explaining, we'll be restating our opinion and conclusion, followed by crux of points mentioned in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So we are going to summarize the points of body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2 in conclusion along with our opinion. Use although, despite, while. It will be helpful for you and it can easily be used in a discussion essay. So we use although, despite, while for the essays with two views. For example, advantages, disadvantages, discussion essay, problem solution essay, as well as to what extent essay. Okay, let us learn. Some people think that parents should teach their children how to be good members of society. Others, however, believe that school is the best place to learn this. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So in the introduction, what did we write? In the introduction, we paraphrased and then we gave our opinion as well. In conclusion, we are going to mention, to conclude, while parents can teach their offspring. So instead of while, you can also use although. To conclude, while parents can teach their children or their offspring how to behave with others, schools can teach other prominent values. So I believe both are required. So in conclusion, what have I done? I have paraphrased the same again. I have paraphrased it. Okay. So in conclusion, while parents can teach their offspring how to behave with others, schools can teach other prominent values. Whenever you are using while, although or despite, do not use but, still here. You have to complete the first clause, put a comma and start the next clause. So while parents can teach their offspring how to behave with others, schools can teach other important values or other prominent values. Therefore, in my opinion, both of these are needed to transform a child into a civilized citizen. So what have I done? This is my opinion. And the first sentence is the summary of body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So if you are going to write like this, you will get good band score in your essay. Always start your conclusion with to conclude or in conclusion. Do not think about any other words or something. Instead, focus on your ideas. Like what are we doing? At times students are committing this mistake and they are thinking about the connectors, they are thinking about various other things instead of focusing on ideas. So focus on ideas. To conclude, while parents can teach their offspring how to behave with others, schools can teach other prominent values. Therefore, in my opinion, both of these are needed to transform a child into a civilized citizen. So this is more than enough for conclusion. For conclusion, we do not need many words. 35 to 40 words are more than enough for conclusion. So that's all for this chapter, and I'll be meeting you in the next chapter and will explain you another question type or another essay type. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.